Welcome, my paisans, to my garden Italiano. I just love the smell of fresh herbs. Basil, oh, it drives me crazy. Doesn't it drive you crazy like it drives me crazy? Welcome, follow me around. Hey, everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Orlando at Epcot, one of the big Disney parks here in Orlando. We're at the World Showcase. We're going to visit Italy today. There are 11 countries here at Epcot's World Showcase, including Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, Italy, where we are today, about halfway around the World Showcase, followed by the American Adventure, Japan, Morocco, France, United Kingdom, and finally Canada. Some of these have already been covered on the New York channel, others have not, so we're about halfway through all of the countries here at Epcot. So join me today for a little taste of the Italian Pavilion here at the World Showcase. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. The Venetian theme here in the Italy Pavilion at Epcot is very realistic. It somewhat reminds me of the Venetian in Las Vegas as well. The 83-foot bell tower in the World Showcase's Italy is an authentic replica of the original in St. Mark's Square. Great attention paid to detail is showcased on the angel atop the bell tower. It's covered with real gold leaf, even though it's up so high that guests really cannot appreciate it. The romance of Venice is demonstrated in the Venetian bridges and the gondolas that are moored to the festive striped barbershop-style poles along the World Showcase's lagoon. We'll see all those exterior details as soon as we step outside this gift shop. A gift shop, by the way, which has a very Italian theme. You see all the usual Mickey and Minnie and all that kind of Disney stuff, but they all are either wearing Italian clothes or saying ciao or one thing or another, making this gift shop truly unique to the Italian Pavilion. Another thing about the gift shops here in the World Showcase, including this one here in Italy, is that they also carry goods and merchandise from the country, their home country. As you can see here, there's fine Italian leather goods and merchandise from Ferrari and perfumes and things like that. And it's very high-end merchandise here, along with the usual Disney stuff. And there's the tower with that gold leaf angel all the way up top that, again, people really can't appreciate. But that's a fine example of Disney's attention to detail. Authentic Italian cuisine is found at the full-serve Tutto Italia restaurant. The restaurant features wall murals and dark wood booths to make guests feel as if they've stepped out of a theme park and right into Italy. Right next to Tutto Italia is the Tutto Gusto wine cellar. This intimate space seats only 96 people and is open from 11:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Designed to look like an Italian wine cellar, Tutto Gusto features stone walls and floors, rustic wood beams, and brick arches. Unfortunately, when I visited, it was roped off. I'm not sure if it was just closed or if it was at its capacity of 96 people. It offers an appetizer-type menu with 6 sections focusing on small plates with foods from all around Italy, Various cheeses, mini panini sandwiches, pastas, and seafood are just some of the choices available. Guests can select from an extensive drink menu, including more than 200 varieties of Italian wine. And if you're on a budget, and who isn't once they hit the Disney parks, there's also pizzerias and more inexpensive places to eat here as well. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. And a shout out to Slow-Mo Poke, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video in the Miracle Mile shops on the Las Vegas Strip. Congratulations, Slow-Mo Poke. I love the container gardens they have here at the Italy Pavilion at Epcot's World Showcase, especially around the lagoon. The flowers and herbs are just beautiful. We're going to walk right over this bridge here and head over to the lagoon and check out the gondolas they have here. And it's just a beautiful showcase they have here at Italy, especially during sunset. Hey, I hope you stay tuned to the New York channel. Lots coming up. I just spent a couple of days in Atlantic City, and I'm going to spend Super Bowl weekend in Atlantic City. So there's going to be lots of videos coming out of there. Also, this Friday, the 11th, at 8 p.m. will be the first Live from New York show. So stay tuned for that as well. You can check out the link in the community room here on the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.